Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. For past few months, we have stopped uploading videos in English language. We have been posting only in Tamil language. So, based on the request from the customers, we are releasing English videos as well. Performance and how to use our indicator, we have been telling you in every videos. Now, for the newcomers and for the people who are watching for the first time our YouTube channel, we request you to immediately subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as join our free Telegram channel named MST School of Trading. So you have to join in both YouTube channel as well as in Telegram channel. Now let us start. How our indicator is working and how confidently we are saying that this indicator will give you a very good support in addition to your existing knowledge or existing trading strategy. Once the market has been open, market has to move either side. Either it has to go upper side or it has to come downside, or it will be in the range bound. So this will happen. Nothing else will happen in the market. So now you see, I will take the example of yesterday. I have kept in 1 minute. If you want to trade in 1 minute, you can trade in 1 minute. If you want to trade in 5 minutes, you can trade in 5 minutes. If you want to keep in 3 minutes, you can keep in 3 minutes. It is up to you. So the time period doesn't matter for us. Okay. Now once the market has opened, either it has to go upper side or it has to come downside. If the market is coming down to our bottom zone, this zone, okay, the bottom two lines we have mentioned as first buy and second sell, and top two lines we have mentioned as first sell and second buy. The bottom side we are calling it as buy zone or demand zone. The upper zone we are calling it as sell zone or supply zone. If the market is coming down and touching our buy zone, we have to take the buy call. If the market is going up and touching our sell zone, we have to take the sell call. For example, if the market is coming and touching here at 52,976, either you can sell your put option of 52,900 put option you can sell, or you can buy 52,900 call option. Similarly, if the market is going to upper side and touching 53,442, and you can either sell the call option or you can buy the put option. 53,400 put option you can buy, or 53,000. Okay. Now what happened yesterday? Let us see. First let me show you an example of how it happened. Day before yesterday also we have not released the video. I will take an example of day before yesterday. If buy activated, there is no sell that day. If sell activated, there is no buy that day until SL hit. If SL hit, you have to take the reversal entry. That's all. So now see here, yesterday, day before yesterday, exactly sell activated, first target hit. Again, second buy activated, all the targets hit. And yesterday what happened? Yesterday if we see the market, it has given the gap up. We have got very good range yesterday, not the gap up. So it has touched our sell zone and it has come down to our almost target, but target has not given. So we can consider SL has hit. Then second buy activated and all the targets hit. So where to find our second targets? Here you can see second buy targets. So here all the three targets have been achieved exactly. If you want to add extra targets, either you can increase the size of the target or you can add the extra targets. It is up to you. So let me show you few more example. I will just give reset button. Here also sell activated and first target hit and market got over. And previous day Here sell activated, all the 3 targets hit. Then second buy activated, first target hit, then first sell activated, all the targets hit. So why we are saying that if buy activated there is no sell, we should not keep on trading in the market. Better to avoid multiple trades so that you will get consistent profit. Take one trade. If SL hit, go for the reversal entry. If target hit, enjoy the profit and exit from the market for the day. So now if you want me to show other scripts, I will release in other video because the size of the video will be more. So now what and all we have in our indicator settings for the newcomers, you all can have a look on it. First we have given the customer care number 9500009154. Next we are emphasizing on consistency. You have to trade with the default settings for minimum 3 months. Here you can see many things we have given: default market, noon market, evening market, forex market and all we have given. But don't try anything. You can use after the market hours, but in the market hour use in default market only for minimum 3 months. So if you have any doubts, please feel free to connect us. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.